Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make $100 per day using free Google images. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Do you want to use free Google images to make money online? If you said yes, then this video will be fun for you. There are many ways to make money online, but each one requires a different set of skills. The trick I'm going to show you today doesn't require any skills or experience, but it can make you $100 per day. To start making money with Google images, go to Google and type in any keyword like penguin lovers, then click on the Images tab. Make sure the image you download has a Creative Commons license so you can use it without worrying about copyright. Remember that you can search for anything like cute cats, beautiful cars, mobile homes, and so on. Let me show you how to do it so that we don't waste your time. Step 1. Sign up for an account. Go to a website called Upload and sign up for an account. After you've put in all your registration information, make sure you choose the right way to get paid. Your payment options are PayPal, Payer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and Pioneer. So make sure you choose the right one. Step 2. Make an account. When you finish the registration process, you will automatically be taken to the section that gives you an overview of your account. Now, below the account settings on the left sidebar, click the configuration button to confirm your payment information and set the profit mode to PPD 100%. So now that we've set up the basics of our account, we are ready to start making money by uploading files to our account. Step 3. Start making money by putting pictures online. Now, we will add the pictures we downloaded from Google before to our account. To upload an image, go to the top menu and click on the Upload Files tab. Then select the images you want to upload. Then click the button that says Start Uploading. Once you've uploaded your picture, you are ready to start making money. Now, if we want to make money off of the pictures we uploaded, we need to optimize them and set a price for them. To do this, go to the top menu and click on the My Files tab. Here you will find all of the files you've uploaded. Now, click the Edit File button and choose the file you just uploaded or the one you want to optimize. Give your image a good name and write down a description of it so that it will show up in searches. After making your image SEO friendly, let's add the price. You can give your picture a price based on what you want. When someone downloads our picture, we will get paid then. I hope this video will help you use Google Images to make money online for free and without any skills or experience. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. Don't forget to like this video, Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.